Hey, my name is Alfie and I am a junior 3D artist at Exile Games. So I've been working at Exile Games as part of the art team for almost 3 months now. So I got my job at Exile Games kind of the old-fashioned way, going through a lot of the different major job boards. Like, I'd been working on my portfolio for a while, so I was very actively searching for new roles, and yeah, when I came across the job posting from Exile, it kind of ticks a lot of the boxes for me. So my day-to-day right now is a lot of experimentation, working with assets, textures, lighting and shading experiments, trying to figure out how we can push the artistic side of our project kind of as far as it can go. So working at Exile Games, it's a great environment to learn in. You're surrounded by sort of artists of all kinds of experience levels, so you're never left on your own to figure something out. And you always have this like shared goal of trying to make the best experience possible. So if I had to give any advice, I would say that the best way to learn and to push yourself forward is to just do. So setting kind of like short, realistic goals, working towards those kind of at your own pace. I found that uni was good for showing me where I wanted to be, but in terms of actually meeting those targets that I would set myself, just working at my own pace on targets that I set myself was always the best for me.